In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ChatGPT app not responding or lagging or too slow while you are generating chats. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you've been trying to generate chats but your app just lags behind and won't generate chats, then use one of these steps. Now, in the first method, if you are on a long thread that you used to generate previous chats, then it might be that this chat is overwhelmed or it is full, and that's the reason why it is slow. To solve this, just go ahead and click on new chat, have a fresh new thread, work with. This in most cases should be able to fix laggishness or slow response on your chats. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and clear the app cache data on your app. To do this, just go back to your app and then long press on it and tap on app info. Now from here, if you go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of data on this app. Of important is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. So for ChatGPT to clear this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose clear cache and OK, and then go back to your app and then try generating your chats. But should this not work, again come back here, and this time around again go to clear data and go to clear all data here. Now this will require that you go now to your app and log in afresh to start using. At this point, everything should be okay. But should you find you're still experiencing laggishness, then you need to go ahead and update your app to the latest version. To do this, just go to your Google Play Store or App Store and find your app. And should you find any option to update, go ahead and update it to the latest version and then open it to start generating chats without any laggishness or lag. By following any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.